Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and I will be really happy for you to join me. So this was a Sunday. I had no plans, I just made myself some breakfast, tried something new here. Yes, and what's a breakfast without a Coca-Cola, guys? Usually I drink like my coffee or tea with breakfast, but these days it's so hot, guys. It's so hot. Yes, it's like we are in hell already without going to hell. We are just getting a taste of how it feels like in hell. This was my breakfast. I made bacon, eggs, and there was cheese, there was Vianas. Oh, it's a king. But look at this, guys. Look at this. How what Luna. And it was so nice. It was really, really nice. So I then went to the shops to get a few things, and the reason I went to the supermarket, there's a supermarket right by the corner where I stay. I was there to buy ijik and sunlight liquid. No, I ended up buying a brown onion. I ended up buying tea bags. Guys, I am so broke. If you see someone buying these small tea bags, and just know what I shall brokenness overload. I am so broke. The aim was to buy these two items. I ended up buying a fusion. Wait again. Finishing my money. Yes, while I'm just so broke, but I can. So, and then I bought the samp that has beans, but it's samp and beans, but it has 3 beans inside. Then I bought this gag bomb cause it's 7 rand cabbage and 10 rand beetroot because it's Sunday. So I soaked my samp and 3 beans to remove the starch, and as you can see, the water is already white, meaning starch is very. Then I boiled it and boiled it. I added some milk and then added some cheese. Guys, hi. This recipe, it was my first time cooking it like this. Yes, I tried new things Jekule Sunday, new breakfast, new samp and beans recipe, but I really enjoyed it. It was my first time cooking it like this, and I am not looking back. This is how I'm going to be cooking it, going forward. Then I made some cabbage. One thing about me, Aisha, ngizokusiyela ikhabishi sana, ngizokusiyela. Wait again, ngizokusiyela sham. I will not play with it. You see that small hand over there? Hey. So yeah, guys, this was the meal. It was a cabbage, beetroot, and some beef. Then after eating, I decided to give my son a bath. It's always a struggle giving this one a bath. It's always a struggle. I just decided to just bath him early, but yeah, man, it's a struggle, man. Then this was his outfit for the day. Hey guys, where do you guys buy cute baby clothes? I bought this at Ackermans. It's cute, but like I want those, man. Those cute baby clothes that you see on social media. I don't know, do you guys buy from Shein or Ntengapi? Please let me know in the comment section down below. This was him. I don't know what he was doing, pretending like, I don't know, little skomotanyana there. Now he's making it like he's confused. Content creator. Guys, please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on my next one.